Hi traders, it's Jakub from FINEIGHT. Another analysis today in CXO market, and I opened trade yesterday, a short trade, because as you can see on this chart, market is in a very nice downtrend, and commercials insiders increased their short positions. So it's very nice downtrend, and they increased their short positions. So we have a fundamental background for this trade. If you look at the weekly chart and we connect points from September 2007 and January 2009, you can see that we'll get a trend line. I don't like connecting points that are very close, but in this case, look what happened. The market stopped at the trend line, and look, it was broke the trend line by maybe 1 or 2 ticks. Okay, so and now market broke through the trend line to downside, and let's say the trend line stopped the market from the bottom. Okay, so market tried to go again above the trend line, but the trend line stopped the market. So that's the reason why this trend line is valuable, because it stopped the market on both sides. Another interesting thing is that this is the value area for almost 6 or maybe from 2010 for almost 10 years, and we broke from the value area to downside, and commercials increased their positions, so they don't, let's say, believe that the market will go higher. So that's very nice support resistance level. It's the edge of very long period of time. Okay, value area. Look at the volume profile. 90% of volume was traded in the middle of the value area. So that's very strong support resistance level, and we have a confirmation because we see a trend line there. On a weekly chart, there is another interesting point, and look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green bars. Yes, there is one red candle, but let's say 7 green bars in a row. So you can think about selling, because we have to see some retracement, because market is too high now, because we have 7 candles, green candles in a row. So that's the reason why I think that we can switch to daily chart to find stop loss and profit target. Okay, this is the daily chart. Look what was here. Market stopped. Okay, and I entered the trade here because I want to have my stop loss behind the wall. You can watch the volume profile here, and I have my stop loss here behind this wall. So it's behind the wall, and of course behind the trend line. Look, it's above the trend line, so I have, let's say, extra confirmation for my stop loss, the trend line. So this is the stop loss. Entry point was 56.67, and stop loss is 65.72, and profit target is 38.57. Okay, you can see that my profit target is above, let's say, major low, because it's highest low, sorry, lowest low for, let's say, 10 years. Okay, so I don't want to have my profit target below this low, because market will have a problem to pass this low. Okay, so again, we have commercials with insiders on our side. We have a very good support resistance level. It's the edge of long-term value area with confirmation of a trend line. It was respected on both sides. On a daily chart, we see, let's say, first red candles. So we can say, okay, we can enter the trade, and I did it yesterday. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this trade. Many of the trades we posted here are in let's say profitable direction, so if you want, you can go back in our ideas and you can check it. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.